Hello, my name is Karol Arambula. I'm Executive Director and founder of My Role Mexico, a nationwide organization working on research, advocacy, and mobilization around sustainable development. It was thanks to the United Nations 12 years ago that we were able to establish my civil society organization. It was the United Nations who pushed for an adoption of a framework that will move the world forward to a better place in terms of equality, climate justice, as well as planetary stability, thanks to the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. It is when I realize that there's much benefit from a United Nations that is strong, expanding, and that it has worked, even though it has had its moments of crisis during the past 80 years. I see the benefits of that in my own country. Mexico, as a founding member of the United Nations, was there in 1945 to make sure that along the international community, we would promote peace and security for all nations. But at the same time, we would create a human rights framework and a development framework that would take humanity to a better place. Ever since, we have seen the benefits of that UN system on the ground in my country. For example, with the establishment of UN agencies, funds, and programs across the national territory that have benefited the most vulnerable populations, such as people under poverty, with the support of UN Development Program, to supporting women and women's equality through UN Women, to supporting judiciary reforms and strengthening of judiciary institutions through UNOCD, as well as supporting children through UNICEF. We have a UN country office that's been able to put together a framework to push forward the Sustainable Development Goals in national policy. We have also seen the benefits of peace and stability and hosting big conferences that allows for countries to dialogue. In summary, we have seen a lot of benefits from the last 80 years of the existence of the UN system. And we really hope it continues that way as we commemorate, celebrate, but also look at the challenges of the past 80 years. As some UN Secretary General would say, it is better to have the United Nations than not having it, especially now with all of this multidimensional crisis we're facing.